One owner. This is a real deal. GTA 390S Pro car. Retains its numbers matching drivetrain. C6 transmission, 9-inch rear, all new suspension and brakes. Beautiful automobile.
Time of the bit. This is a one-owner car. Come out of the state. Time of the bit, and it is S-code. Time of the bit. You get it down on the bit. Time of the bit. You get it down 50 times. You're going to be 50 here. 15, thank you. 17, 5. 17, 5, 20. Time of the bit 20, then 2, 5, going to be 5. Time of the bit 25,000. You're going to be 5 here. Time of the bit 5, going to be 5 here. Going to be 5 here. Time of the bit 3, 4. I'm going to be 23, 4. I'm going to be 23, 4. I'm going to be 24,000. You're going to be 4 here. I'm going to be 4, going to be 5. I'm going to be 25,000. You're going to be 5 here. I'm going to be 25,000, 26,000. I'm going to be 6 here. You're going to be 6 here. At 25, you're going to be 6 here. You're going to be 5, 5, 6. 26 here. 25, 5. 26,000.